talk about identifying our missing alligators. Our alligators are less than, greater than, and equal to. And as you can see, we can turn them into alligators. They always eat the side of the equation that is larger, and if the sides are the same, we have a confused alligator, and that is the equal sign. So our first problem that we'll do is 8 plus 4 something 14. Now when I look at this, I see that I don't have an alligator in the problem. That's the first thing I need to realize. All equations must have an alligator, so there must be a less than, a greater than, or an equals to in the missing spot here. What alligators do is they split the problem apart. So this problem is split apart right at the alligator, and this here's a side, and this here's a side. I can't change anything from this side to the other side, and I can't take anything from this side and put it over here. It needs to stay on its own side. So after I split the problem apart at the alligator, then I need to simplify my sides. So I just do what is said. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Bring that down, simplify it. Bring down my alligator. This side's already simplified, 14. So I have 12 something 14. So my alligator is going to want to eat the bigger side. This one over here is the bigger side, so I put in that alligator. And next one. 18 minus 5 equals, sorry. 12 something 12. Once again, all problems have to have an alligator, so I know that this has to be an alligator. The alligator splits the problem apart, so I divide the problem apart, and I do the sides, I simplify each side. So 18 minus 5 is 13. Bring down my alligator, and the other side's 12. And the 13 is bigger than the 12, so the alligator is going to eat the 13. And this alligator can be plugged right back up into the original problem because 18 minus 5 is greater than 12. Three something 18 minus 7. So in this one, once again, we look at the problem. There is no alligator in the problem, so that has to be our alligator. And we split the problem apart right there at the alligator. This side's already simplified. It's a 3. Bring down my alligator and bring down my other side. 18, sorry, I can simplify this. 18 minus 7 is 11. And 11 is much larger than 3, so we put our alligator in there. 3 is less than 11, and I can plug that alligator back into my original problem. And the last one. This one will be a little bit more complex, a little bit more difficult. So 8 plus 5 plus 2 something 7 plus 6 minus 3. So I see nothing here is an alligator, nothing here is an alligator, so that has to be my alligator. The problem is split, the equation is split apart at the alligator, and I'm going to simplify this side. 8 plus 5 is 13 plus 2 is 15, so this side over here is 15. This side over here, 7 plus 6 is 14 when I add those together, minus the 3 is 11, and bring down my alligator, so I have 15 something 11. The 15 is larger, so that is the one my alligator is going to want to eat, and I can plug that back into my original equation. So 8 plus 5 plus 2 is greater than 7 plus 6 minus 3. So once again, figure out where the alligator is, split the problem apart at the alligator, and then simplify each side, and it will be very easy to see which side the alligator is going to eat, or if it's going to be a confused alligator as an equal sign.